Hello, my dear students and viewers. Welcome to my channel, Scorpio class. In this video, we are going to discuss Class 9 CBSE poem The Lake Isle of Innisfree's question and answers. Yes, this is going to be a notes video for you all where you will get the complete notes of this question and answers of this poem. So let's get started. But before that, if you are new to my channel and watching my video for the first time, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get the notifications of all the upcoming videos. So let's get started. But before that, again, if you want to look into the explanation video of this poem, you can press the I button above and watch the entire explanation video with the word meaning and the literary devices. Now let's get started with the question and answers. These are your textbook questions. So the first question here is, what kind of place is Innisfree? Think about the three things the poet wants to do when he goes back there. A hint is also given. The answer will be available in your stanza 1. Second sub question is what he hears and sees there and its effect on him. This you may get in stanza 2. And what he hears in his heart's core, even when he's far away from Innisfree. Stanza 3 will give you the answer. Now let's check the answer here. The three things that the poet wants to do when he goes to Innisfree are as follows. He wants to build a small cabin with clay and wattles. Second, he wants to plant 9 rows of beans. And third is he wants to keep a honeybee hive. So these are the things that the poet wants to do while he is in Innisfree. So this is your first sub answer where you have 3 points because the poet longs for doing 3 things over there. Coming to second sub answer, the poet sees the cloudy morning in which the cloudy morning which looks like the sky is wearing a veil. He hears a song of the cricket. He sees the linnet bird flying in the evening sky, the shimmering stars in the night sky, and the purplish glow of the afternoon. All these give him a feeling of being at peace. Okay, so this is the answer for your second sub question. Now, third, even when the poet is far away from Innisfree, he hears the sound of the lake, water hitting the shore in the depth of his heart. Okay, so this is your third answer. I hope it's clear. Now let's move to the next one. Second question. By now, you may have concluded that Innisfree is a simple, natural place full of beauty and peace. How does the poet contrast it with where he now stands? You have to read stanza 3 and you'll get the answer. So let's check out the answer. The poet describes Lake Innisfree as a place full of bounties of nature. He sees the cloudy sky, the shimmering stars in the night sky, the purplish glow of the afternoon sun, and the linnet bird flying in the evening sky. The sound of the cricket's song is also pleasing to him. On the other hand, the place where he stands now is an open place which is devoid of all these beauties of nature. He says that there are roadways and grey colored pavements around him. Okay, so you can see the huge contrast done between the city life and the Lake Isle of Innisfree. So this is how you could write the answer. Let's check the third question. Okay, do you think Innisfree is only a place or a state of mind? Does the poet actually miss the place of his boyhood days? Answer. Innisfree is a place that the poet used to visit in his boyhood. As he lives in the city now, he expresses a desire to go to Innisfree, which had peaceful surroundings. This shows his state of mind. Yes, he misses Lake Isle of Innisfree when he says that the sound of the lake water hitting the shore echoes in the core of his heart. Okay, so yes, there are all the proofs that you can get it from the poem stanzas that he misses his the Isle of Innisfree, and also it is a state of the mind. It also has in his state of the mind. Okay, so here is your answer, and the next one. Okay. Look at the words the poet uses to describe what he sees and hears at Innisfree. So the questions are like be loud, glad. So here we can imagine that bees are buzzing around. With this phrase, you can imagine bees buzzing around. Second is evenings full of the linnet's wings. So you heard the answer would be the image of the linnets flying across the evening sky appears in the reader's mind. Right? Third one, lake water lapping with low sounds. Now, these words draw an image and also create the sound of the lake water striking against the shore of the lake. Okay, so these are the pictures that you can imagine, and imagery can be created in your mind by reading these phrases or sentences. Now, look at this word. Peace comes dropping slow, dropping from the veils of the morning to where the cricket sings. What do these words mean to you? What do you think comes dropping slow from the veils of the morning? What does to where the cricket sings mean? So, what does this extract, this few lines mean? So, let's check the answers. These lines indicate that the feeling of being at peace seeps in slowly and gradually. As one sees the cloudy morning, which is followed by the pleasant song of the cricket, the poet gains peace of mind. These vibrant sounds and scenes of nature bring a feeling of peacefulness experienced by the poet. Okay, so this is the answer. And here we come to an end with the notes session of this particular poem. And I hope this video was also informative for you all. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, please like the video and do subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you.